You know what a cow says?
Won't even cover the tip. At the Old Homestead Steakhouse in
What
New
else
York
is there?
City's Meatpacking
There's a
District,
cow,
they serve an
and a
imported
sheep,
cheeseburger that
and a
costs as
pig,
much as a tank of
and a
gas.
rooster, and a
Nothing's too
duck,
heavy for you to hold.
The restaurant is the
and
oldest
a
steakhouse in
horsey,
Manhattan and has
or
been
pony.
satisfying
All
affluent
girls call
appetites
horses
since
ponies.
1868.
At that time, the area
And you got your Elmo talking phone. We'll get that out in a minute.
area
Look.
of New York City. Society would come down to this area.
Oh, that's scary. Thanks for calling. Thanks for calling,
Has all the
Elmo.
character you'd expect
All right.
from a restaurant that's been operating since Ulysses Grant was president. It's best known for steaks, but
There
Old
you
Homestead's
go.
high-quality
Yeah.
hamburgers are attracting more customers every day.
Take it from where you are. Like a workout, just look at it.
Yeah, get it.
The idea to
Yeah,
get
oh,
into the burger business was sparked by a fast food generation.
Give a cat a cupcake. If you give a cat a cupcake, and if you give a moose a muffin, I wonder what happens if you give a moose a muffin.
We'll have to read the book and find out.
Yeah. Oh, that's exciting. Okay, alright. Next, please. She knows how to dig right in, doesn't she?
Yay, somebody gave me tissue paper for Christmas.
No. Okay, there's more. There's more. Keep looking. Look. Oh, yeah, the straps are pretty too. Look what else. Look what else. Right here. Look. There you go. I don't love that bag.
I love that dress. I don't know clear about the...
That's hot. Oh, that is so cute.
Hannah picked
Oh, that is so cute. Well, chose the tissue paper. Riley, look at your dress. Look at you. You want the Elmo phone?
No.
Another one? Oh, not good. Not good, kid.
We got a little diva on our hands here.
What will she do when the presents are over?
I know. There's more. He's there still. Ooh. Ooh.
No, baby.
Whoop. Let's see what's in here. Riley, let's see what's in here.
Hannah.
Yay, clothes! Look, a pretty dress. Oh, that's so cute. Look. Okay, well, let's see what else is coming. Oh, mommy loves me. Your mommy loves you. Yeah.
I picked that one
Oh, I love that too. Okay. All right. Well, we'll see what else you got.
Hey, Riley. Riley. Nope, too busy. Do you like opening presents? Yeah. Yeah, do you like opening the presents?
Daddy, are you watching? I'm trying to get your way. Here you go. Well, kind of. There you go. fireproof
Oh, that was
for Riley.
Mary Ellen.
Well, that's
That
maybe
said
little.
just got Mary Ellen.
Well, it's important for Riley to understand.
I thought that was maybe a little inappropriate, but
Yeah.
I wasn't going to say anything.
It's important for Riley to understand relationships and
Yeah.
honoring a marriage.
Okay, to Riley from Aunt Elizabeth. Let's find a place where you can start it. There we go. There you go.
Maybe I should have put less tape on it.
Well, apparently it's delicious.
I think maybe someone's hungry. Go, Bug.
Isn't that the cutest box?
That is a really cute box. Okay. Yeah, no. Let's see what's in here. Let's see what's in here. Oh, look. Oh, that's adorable. Oh, that is precious. That's not. Look at your pretty outfit. You see it? Well, Mommy likes it.